Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vira. In this video, I will show you how to change or settings DPI on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, first thing first, you must to activate developer options. Open your settings menu. And then open about phone, click it. Okay, next in this options OS version, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. You are now a developer. Next, we click back. In your settings menu, you can scroll down and you open additional settings, click it. And now you can find developer options menu. Open your developer options menu. Next, to change your DPI, you can scroll down and you search smallest width or DPI. Yep, this is smallest width or DPI. Click it. You can see my default DPI is 384 and I will test to change to 500, I think. Click OK. And yep, successfully to change DPI. You can see the display on my phone has become smaller and one screen can now show more menu. But you have to be careful because if you change DPI too high can make the problem for your device like black screen or reset. So you must to be careful. Okay, if you want to change DPI to default, you can click again in the small width and you change to default DPI. On my phone is 384. Click OK. And your DPI is default. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.